Gut-friendly foods such as Greek yogurt, oats, and berries promote a healthy digestive system. Gentle morning walks stimulate metabolism and support overall gut health. Deep core breathing exercises activate core muscles and reduce stress, enhancing gut health. Thermogenic foods like chili, green tea, and cinnamon can increase body heat and metabolic rate, supporting fat loss. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, workouts, performed 3 times a week for 20 minutes each, maximize calorie expenditure. A daily 15-minute walk post-lunch enhances metabolism and improves insulin sensitivity. High protein intake early in the day, through foods like eggs, tofu, and lentils, helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Protein supports muscle building and increases satiety, reducing cravings throughout the day. The vacuum stomach exercise strengthens the transverse abdominis muscle, improving core stability and posture.